Hello friends, I'm Rajeev Bagri, the accounting doctor. You must have known that direct taxes have bring in a new change in TCS rules to collect 0.075% of TCS on the sales bills. And you must have consulted your auditors and consultant regarding the pros and cons and how to implement, what are the criteria regarding this. But don't worry, I'm not here to confuse you on that. What I'm here is, now your concern must be, how do we calculate those things manually in our sales bill? Manually calculating is a tedious job, but in Tally you have a provision, and I'm here to show you that how you can easily do that in Tally. So without wasting much of time, let's jump to my Tally screen. So yes, this is the Tally screen here now, and first we need to configure few things in Tally. First of all, let's go to accounting info, accounts info, create a ledger named TCS on sales. I would always prefer you to keep for sales a different ledger and for a purchase different ledger. So I am creating a ledger named TCS on sales under duties and taxes. So we have TCS here. Now how do we get TCS here? You have to go to F11, and then you can see here statutories, F3. Go down next side, and this side we have TDS and TCS. You need to configure this here by selecting yes, and again set alter TCS details as yes. Give your TAN number here. Type of registration, it is an individual or a company. Select that and hit save button. That's it. This is the simple configuration of implementing your TDS number. Now let's continue with the TCS on sales, duties and taxes. We have TCS. So now you can see here we don't have anything, but we will create a new category, TCS. The code is 206C1H. 206C in section, payment code again 206C. For individuals it is 0.075%. Without PAN it is 0.75%. And it is the same rate for others also. For individuals it's 0.075%, without PAN it's 0.75%, and for other types of collective also it's the same rate. So we need not have to worry about the different rates. And threshold limit is 50 lakhs. So we will give here 50 lakhs. And we will save this ledger. So now let's go next. You all must be having clients sales ledgers. So first let's go to sales ledger. What is the small changes you have to do in a sales ledger is to select TCS here. Is TCS applicable? Give applicable. And here you remember we created TCS 206. Select that. So sales is configured. Again, we'll configure any other charges if you charge in your sales invoice, like freight charges or loading charges. Even to that we need to give an applicable, because TCS, this particular TCS is applicable on net bill value. It's not on a gross bill value, it's on a net bill value. So your item, your charges, what you charge in the bill, your GST, and then comes your TCS. So we will select this TCS even in our sales account. So here we will select TCS for our clients as well, to whom we need to bill. It's applicable. Type of client, with the PAN number you will be knowing whether it's an individual or a firm or a company PAN number. Like for example, I'll tell you here AAA. So fourth character is P, that is individual. This is just for an example. I'm giving a PAN number here. It's not an actual PAN number. So this is an individual. We will hit save here, and then here for example 2, I'll show you customer 2. I'll show you example different PAN. For example, firm, partnership firm. So for partnership firm, you will be AAA, and fourth character will be F. 1, 2, 3, 4, A. This is again a sample PAN number. It's not an actual PAN number. And we need to create CGST output, duties and taxes. Here also we need to select TCS, and which section? Again TCS 20C, what we created in the TCS section. This nature of TCS we need to select, and same is in the SGST and IGST. So here I am again selecting in applicable TCS 206. So on ledger part, we have completed all our configuration. Let's come to the item part. Even in item, we need to configure TCS. Now let's see how. So this is item 1. Rest all the configuration you have already done. This is again TCS applicable, and we need to select here which TCS are we going to collect. So hit save, and then same here as all the items we need to select applicable, and TCS section we need to select here. So we are done with all the configurations now here. Let's make a sales invoice and see how does it calculate. So let's see for customer 1, sales account, and I am selecting item 1 here. Let's have it as 1000 kgs and 500 rupees. So here CGST, SGST, and if you select TDS here, guess what will happen? Will it come? No, it will not, because threshold limit is 50 lakhs, and here we have selected only 5 lakhs, so it will not come. So this is one kind of that we have selected the threshold, so it is TCS is not calculating. Let's have for customer 2, let me select an item 2. So let's have 10,000 kgs, 500 rupees, it's 50 lakhs, and CGST, SGST, and TCS. Now see the magic. Let's cross check this. 50 lakhs plus 9 lakhs of GST, it's 59 lakhs into 0.075%. So 4425, and we have got the same amount here, 4425. It's automatic round off. You don't have to worry about the rounding off part. It is nearest rounding. Which one is the nearest, it will round it accordingly. Now let's see the one more scenario. Let's go with to customer 1 now. Again, customer 1, we are selecting here item 2. I'll give here 10,000 and 500. Same rate, let us keep it. Now here I am charging loading charges as well to him. Say for example 50,000, and say freight charges also I'll be charging him, say 1 lakh rupee, and then comes GST SGST and TCS. See, it's calculated on the whole amount. See, let us calculate this. 50 lakhs plus 50,000 plus 1 lakh plus 463,500 plus 463,500 comes to 60 lakhs 77,000 into 0.075%. So, see here. Watch carefully. 457.75. So it's rounded off to 4558. So as I told you, it will rounding off. It will take care by itself. You don't have to worry about it. And you also noticed here that it is calculating TCS only on the current bill. If you remember, we have made an invoice on customer 1 earlier also, but 50 lakhs is a threshold limit. So only after that it will start calculating. So simple, right? It's so simple, so easy, and it's very easy to configure. Only one thing you need to take care, that configure all the TCS in your stock items, on your party ledgers, on your sales ledgers, and you're ready to go on your all your expense ledger, what you're going to charge on the bill, and you're ready. So yes guys, this was the implementation part. We have successfully completed the implementation. This video is only for implementation. First implement and start your billing so that your billing is not hampered, your business is not hampered. In next video, I will show you how to see the reports and how you can give those reports to your consultants, practitioners or auditors so that they can file your TCS returns promptly. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this, please like, comment and share this video so that more and more people can seamlessly continue with their business. Thank you. So friends, if you have any more doubts in Tally or regarding this TCS or any other doubts in Tally, hit the link and fill up the form. I'll be very, very happy to answer all those questions. Thank you very much. Once again, Rajeev Bagri, the accounting doctor.